Diapers have been used for thousands of years. Early forms of diapers can be traced back to ancient civilizations like Egypt and Greece, where they used cloth and animal skins to wrap around babies. With each child more currently using over 6,000 of these diapers within their first 2 years of life. No wonder they're so popular. After numerous years of continuous development, we have honed the formula for crafting the perfect diaper. So what does crafting the ideal diaper entail? Modern disposable diapers are all about keeping the baby dry. They do this using a special chemical called sodium polyacrylate. This powdery material can turn liquid into a gel, absorbing moisture quickly and locking it away. This keeps the baby dry and comfortable, reducing the chances of diaper rash. Diapers are mainly made from a mix of wood pulp and cotton. The wood pulp, which comes from pine trees, is processed like paper pulp, then combined with cotton to make a soft, lightweight, and super dry padding. This material is typically rolled out as a single elongated sheet, which then unwinds into another chamber where it undergoes a chemical treatment involving the introduction of a hyper-absorbent polymer. This special water-absorbing material does two important jobs. It helps stick the cotton and pulp together and makes the core hold a lot more water. So, as the pulp mixture rolls into a container, we add this water-absorbing stuff in little granules at the same time. The elastic gathers around the legs and waist are key to preventing leaks and making sure the diaper fits snugly. These gathers let the diaper move with the baby while still keeping everything contained. Some diapers may include an additional layer between the inner liner and the absorbent core. This layer helps distribute moisture evenly across the core and can enhance the overall performance of the diaper. Here you can see that once it is added, it's also folded to encompass the core on all sides. The outer shell of the diaper is usually made of a breathable, waterproof material, often a plastic-like film or cloth-like material. It serves to contain the absorbed moisture and prevent leaks. The outer shell also provides structure and shape to the diaper. Once made, the diapers are slingshotted into a carousel, where they are spot-checked by a technician on their flexibility and durability. Once they have passed through this, they are squeezed together to remove excess air, ensuring many of them can be fit tightly into packages, where they are then sealed and packaged into larger pallets. Let it be known that there is no substantial difference between disposable diapers designed for boys and girls in terms of their basic construction and materials. However, boys' diapers are found to have more concentrated absorption at the front, whereas girls' diapers are found to have an equal spread of absorption running from front to back.